How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your WhatsApp application. Now, go to updates. After that, go to my status. Here you can see only two options, that is text or voice. Simply go to text and then in text what you will have to do in order to add music is you will have to copy link from certain social medias like YouTube and other platforms like Spotify and then paste the link. Next, what you can also do is simply download the music in your device, then go to video and then from there post the video of the audio. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.